Hi guys, I've been waiting for so long to make this video. It's the Outin rechargeable coffee grinder. That's right, Outin have reached out to us and asked us to try out 3 of their amazing new products. So this is the Trinity. This is what will transform your van life coffee. I am absolutely sure of it. So we've got, in no particular order, a coffee canister. So obviously using fresh beans in your Outin. You can do Nespresso, fair enough. But if you're using fresh beans, you want to store your beans in a way that they can be vacuum packed while you're traveling around so they don't go off too quick. And for that, you need a coffee canister. And this is no ordinary coffee canister. This is a rechargeable one, which then self-vacuums itself closed. So what we've noticed in the van, we've noticed that when we're driving around, it gets hot in the van, it gets cold in the van, pressure changes in the van. And after a little while, we find that our normal pressurized coffee canister that we've got loses its pressure. You don't realize, you get up the next morning and you think, oh, there's no pressure in this. This constantly monitors it, and then it repressurizes if it finds that it loses pressure. How cool is that? So show you that in a few minutes. We've got the Outin coffee scale. So rechargeable again, all of these are USB-C rechargeable. Outin coffee scale, sized perfectly for the Outin coffee stand. So I'll show you that when we make a coffee in a few minutes. Got a timer built in, obviously zeroes itself, tars itself out, all that kind of stuff. Nice little rubber mat and everything. Brilliant little coffee scale. And then finally, the absolute gem of the Outin range. Look at this. So conical burr grinder, rechargeable USB-C, and it's the accessories that this comes with as well, which make it so clean and so easy to use in the van. It just matches perfectly the Outin coffee maker. Let's make a coffee and I'll show you how all this kit works. It's absolutely incredible. Right, let's make some coffee with this amazing gear. Honestly, you know how much of a coffee fan I am from all the different coffee bits I've done over the years with the van and on the channel. This is like another level. So let's get set up first of all then. So we've got the Outin scale. Now with this really nice little pouch, charging cable just in the lid there, a little rubber mat, and then that's the scale. It's called the Claro. That's the name of the scale. And you can see there's a power switch on the side there. That's also, it's got a 2-stage, so you can have it silent if you're brewing in the morning. It does also have a buzzer on it as well if you want it to. On the screen here, I don't know if you can see that, you've got a power symbol there. It says unstable because I'm holding it. You can, this is the weight side here, so you tire it out there with that button, and then this side here is the timer. It tells you how much charge and stuff is in it, so it's all good. And it sits beautifully just straight on there, look, just like that. So that's the Outin coffee stand that you can buy as well. Right, let's get that out of the way. I've boiled some water ready. We've got the vacuum sealed, so I can't get that off at the moment. This is the jar that I was telling you about. So rechargeable on the top, button on the top. You press the button, and if I show you, you see there, it's like a little red dot which is sunken. If I press that, see it comes to the top. That basically means that I can open it now. So I need to weigh out some beans. So I'm just going to put my cup on the scale. Tell you what, let me just get this here. So I'm using the Basket Plus with the Outin, which means that it's a 17-gram dose. So just tar the scale so it's at 0. You can hear this buzzing away. Let me turn that off because it was trying to seal itself again. So it's on 0. I'm just going to put my 17 grams worth in there. 17.3. There we go, 17 grams, beautiful. So we've got that ready to go. I'll pop that scale back on the stand just there, so you can see that. Right, now I can pop my coffee away. You can see inside there you've got plenty of space for your coffee. Pop that away. Just going to press the power button on there, and you can probably hear that. and you'll see that the little red dot will disappear and it will stop, just like that. And that is sealed. So that's job done for the beans. Then we need to use the grinder. So beautiful little pouch that this grinder comes in, absolutely stunning. To be honest, I really wouldn't mind another one of these really nice pouches for the Outin itself. So let me just grab this stuff out of here. First impressions of this grinder, and have tested this before this video. First impression of this grinder, it is weighty. This thing is built to last. It really is nice. Comes with this extra little bit here. So this here unscrews, and then you've got little kind of stainless interior, and it screws on the bottom. So when you grind your coffee, you can see that's where the burrs are at the bottom, 38mm burrs, conical burrs. When you grind your coffee, you just stand it up, and then the coffee goes straight through the grinder into that at the bottom. And then you probably saw this. This here, van's on a bit of a slope, I don't want it to go rolling off. This here screws onto that bottom container, and then you can take that off like that, and it helps you get it straight into the basket. So I'll show you how all that works. So you set your coffee grind on the top here with this ring, and they recommend, so there's a marker there, they recommend between 1 and 2 if you're using it for espresso with the Outin. So I'm going to set it probably at about, it's got dots on here so you're able to kind of know where you've been last time, and there is a little bit of stepless adjustment in there as well if you really wanted it, but you can hear the clicks. So I'm going to set it just under 2, and then to be able to put beans in the top, you turn that anti-clockwise and it pops it up, and then that's obviously where the beans go. So we've got obviously the bottom on. Just going to pop my beans into the top. There we go. And so 17 grams worth of beans, none left on the top, goes all inside, ready to grind. And then all you do is double tap the button. And there we go. Now it does take a little while to grind, so I'm just going to set it down. It's got a nice little rubber pad on the bottom as well, so when you set it down to grind, it doesn't make too much noise. It's quite a quiet grinder, to be honest. When I think about the Niche Zero grinder that I use at home every day, that's a lot noisier than this. And I did test this with my home coffee machine as well. So I've got a La Marzocco Linea Micra at home, my normal espresso machine. Yesterday morning, I used this to grind the coffee to go into that machine. Beautiful espresso, honestly. I think it only took me 2 grinds to dial in the beans. It was absolutely stunning. So you can hear it's grinding away. I'm just going to leave that now until it's finished. It takes about 2 minutes to grind the beans. Does depend how coarse or fine you've got it. You can adjust this if you're going to do like a stovetop, so if you've got a mocha pot, or if you've got cafetiere or something like that, you can turn it all the way around and it will grind quite coarse. Obviously for espresso you want it quite fine, so that's why I've left it just like it is there. So let's wait for this to finish and then let's make a coffee. Right, you can hear the silence, it's finished. So what I tend to do, so it's automatically stopped because it knows there's no beans left. I tend to run it again just a couple of times, just in case there's anything left in it, until it runs like that. So you can hear that there's absolutely nothing left in there at all. I tend to shut the top then, give it a quick tap on the bottom in case there's anything loose inside, and then look at that fantastic espresso grind in there. So just going to put this lid on here because it'll help us get it in with no mess. So close that up, so you've got a nice little sealed canister there. Get the Outin. So I'm going to take the lid off, ready to put the water in, unscrew the basket plus on the bottom. Now this is where you've got a decent sized basket. It is a double wall basket, so it creates its own pressure if it needs to. And then what I'm going to do with this, with the basket plus, you get a little magnetic funnel. In fact, Give it a bit of a shake to make sure. Just going to pop this straight in the basket like that. Give it a bit of a tap, make sure it's all in. Can take that off now. Use a little tamper which the Basket Plus comes with. Make sure that's tamped right down. Looking very nice. Put the lid on, put it back in the Outin. I'm being a bit slow, I'd usually be a bit quicker than this, but doing it so you can see. And then the Outin goes into the coffee scale, just like that. Put my cup on. I've zeroed it out, so that's fine. I'm going to pour some water into the top. Obviously the Outin will self-heat as well if you need it to, so don't worry that I've got a kettle sat back there. You can get the Outin to self-heat and do all of this for you. So everything is completely in your backpack on a hike. You've got fresh espresso. And then when I start this, I'm going to also press the timer to start because I want to just, I've 17 grams in, I want 34 out, normal 1:2 ratio. So I can see the grams going up. Let me just show you. Coming out quite nicely. Probably overdone it on the grind, I must admit. It should be coming out a little bit quicker than that. So the grind is too fine on this particular coffee. But I tell you what, I can't wait to try this. Oh, I tell you what, I'm ready for this coffee now. Let's give this a go. So first of all, just have a look at that lovely crema on that in there. Smells good. Oh, that has got a beautiful sweetness to it. That really has. Probably does need to be more like 2 on the grind setting for this particular coffee rather than, what did I do? About 3/4 of the way between 1 and 2 that I did that. But that is perfectly drinkable. And it's all about the accuracy. So if you want amazing coffee in the van, it's all about the accuracy. So you've got to take your time. You've got to weigh things out. You've got to experiment. If I was going to make Sarah a coffee now, she'd probably say that was just a little bit too bitter for her. So I'd change the grind, I'd do it again, and then she'd have an incredible coffee. So if you're into your coffee, you've got to check out these new Outin products. They absolutely just complete the whole van setup. So in terms of pricing, the grinder itself, so this with all of the accessories, so it comes with the canister and things, it comes with its nice bag, a charging cable, even comes with a little cleaning brush and puffer. All of that is £179.99 pounds. So we're in the UK pricing. The coffee scale itself, the beautiful coffee scale with its amazing little pouch it comes with and all of that sort of stuff, £69.99. And if you want the canister, wherever it is, here we are. So if you want the vacuum canister which goes with all of that, £45.99. So that gives you a bit of an idea. Outin products, just don't think they're cheap and cheerful. This is quality kit. It really is quality kit. I absolutely love this stuff. This is just so weighty, and you can tell because of the quality of the coffee that it's making and the quality of the burrs that are inside it. So if you're serious about coffee, this really is definitely worth checking out. Do have a look in the description of this video though, because Outin do run promotions, discount codes, that kind of thing. At the time of making this video, there's 20% early bird discount on having this grinder. Whether that's still going to be running when you watch this video or not, check in the description. You may be lucky, but if you're watching it as soon as this goes live, get on it. You might be able to get yourself some early bird discount on one of these grinders. Highly recommended. This is absolutely our go-to in-van coffee kit. Every morning when we wake up in the van, we're going to be using this kit. It's that good. Hope this video has been helpful for you. You can tell how much I love coffee and how much I love making these videos. I'm not this excitable normally. I've just had about 3 or 4 before making this video. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you again soon for some more Campervan Time.